Please hit the subscribe button and tap the bell icon for the future notification to watch more videos of latest fashions and trends. Thank you so much for your.
Hello friends, welcome back to Amazing Women's World. In this video I have come up to show you one more overall complete designing on this plain blouse to turn into new designer blouse. I have already highlighted the neckline using the chain bow lace and a stone. As I said before in the beginning of the video, it's an overall designing pattern. For that here I'll be giving the markings. It's very simple but it will really gives an authentic beautiful look. And for the markings we have to give the curve shape markings. Ensure that all curves will have the same sizes. If you are not comfortable directly marking on the blouse like this, you can also mark it on the piece of paper, then transform it using the carbon paper or any tracing paper. And here for giving the markings I'd be using here Apsara white glass marking pencil, and this is how firstly lightly give the markings, then make it dark so that the visibility of this design could be concluded. It's really very simple design. The markings is something like this, marking the curve shape towards the ends, flower shape of 4 petals, and the leftover space will be filled with the small lines, followed with the leaf shape markings maintaining the equal gaps. This is how the complete pattern on the blouse has to be given. Continuing the same design on the sleeves also, as I said, it's an overall designing pattern. There will not be separation for the sleeves, neither for the neckline. And the markings is done. For the designing of the flower making, here I'd be using anchor thread of 12 strands, and to create the flower shape here I'm gonna use lazy daisy stitch on these 4 petals to get the flower shape look. The volume of the strands either you can increase or decrease as per your requirement. Here to give the blossom look I would be using here 12 strands. This is how we have to give the lazy daisy stitch. It's just so simple, creating the loop, and on the tip we have to get back through or pull back underneath the needle. This is how the flower would look, and the same way I'll give the stitch on the remaining flowers. I'm done with the flower making with the thread work designing. And now on this curve shapes I'm gonna use here the chain bow lace. Applying the glue I would be sticking on this. Firstly measure accordingly the curve shape, then cut and apply the glue, then stick it. This is how the overall designing pattern will be concluded. And on the leaf shape I'm gonna use here framed designer kundans of leaf shape. This is how it looks. It's of small size. And towards the ends of this small line I'm gonna stick designer rings of circular shape, gold color, to stick the rhinestones on it. And now I'm gonna apply the glue to stick the rhinestones on these 3 designer rings. The gaps has to be filled. For that I'm gonna apply the glue to stick designer silver color kundans. Instead of these kundans you can also give the beads work here or any color kundans work. Use the contrasted colors, it will highlight the pattern. And now that the glue is completely dried, we have to give an invisible stitches on this chain ball lace on complete blouse to stay for long run even after the frequent washes. This is how, maintaining the equal gaps, we have to give an invisible stitches on these chain ball laces. And once completed, the blouse with the overall designing pattern is here in front of you. Hope sharing of this idea is really useful to you all. I have enjoyed. Really, it's looking beautiful. Thank you so much for watching, friends. Meet you all with another interesting video. Subscribe to Amazing Women's World channel. Stay tuned to watch more. Until then, see you all. Bye for now.